If you want your WhatsApp messages to automatically delete after a certain time, here is how to turn on disappearing messages. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to set this for. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap disappearing messages. Choose the time period you prefer, 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Once set, new messages sent in that chat will automatically be deleted after the selected time. You can also set disappearing messages as default for all new chats. To do that, go to Settings, then Privacy, scroll down and tap Default Message Timer and pick the duration you want. This will not affect existing chats but will apply to all new ones going forward. And that's it. You have just added auto delete to your WhatsApp chats. If this helped, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful WhatsApp tricks.